Sorry, I had to clear the air. If you want to learn how to do this trick, it's not a real part. If you want to learn how to do this trick, you're going to need one of the two. A McDonald's large cup straw or a Polar Pop straw. Now, to do this, basically, right, take the straw, right, and you put it under your armpit. Sometimes you gotta reposition it in. You can like trick your friends, if you have a shirt on, you can hide it better, What? You can get some really good ones out of it. Like that, and it vibrates your armpit, so it's kind of weird. I'm gonna try it with a Polar Pop straw. I haven't really done it yet, so. Hold on. It works. So, yeah. Is my armpit red? I don't know, dude. But it feels weird, like it hurts. But if you do it for a while, your straw will start to bend and crease, but it still works, because you're like bending it. Alright, so if you feel where it's coming out, if you put your hand over it, then you blow, it sounds way better. Sounds like a better fart. So yeah, that's a cool little trick you can do with straws. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, it's really cool. I'm gonna try with my other armpit. Thing is, the McDonald's straws are shorter. Ow. They're starting to get bigger, like on the side you're using. And it'll start to like stab you a bunch. It hurts, but dang it. I recommend, like, if you're right-handed, I recommend you putting it under your left. But if you're left-handed, then you could put it under your right, or whichever one feels better. But yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all later when I make another video. Alright. Peace off, everybody. I salute you all, my little troopers. Yeah, see ya. Peace out. See ya.